Welcome to BotBee Sheet Connect for Google Sheets. BotBee Sheet Connect helps you automate your workflows whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Instead of manually checking spreadsheets or writing complex Google Apps script code, BotBee Sheet Connect instantly sends new row data to your webhook endpoint in real time. This makes it perfect for businesses that collect leads, orders, registrations, and form submissions using Google Sheets. In this video, we'll learn how to install and use BotBee Sheet Connect. For demonstration purposes, I have already created a sample Google Sheet. To get started, click on the Extensions menu at the top of your spreadsheet. Next, click on Add-ons, and then select Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace search box, type BotBee. You will now see BotBee Sheet Connect for Google Sheets in the search results. Click on the add-on to open its Marketplace page. Next, click the Install button. Google will now ask you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use with BotBee Sheet Connect. The add-on will request a few permissions required to access your spreadsheet and automate your workflows. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. That's it. BotBee Sheet Connect has now been successfully installed. Finally, refresh your Google Sheets page to load the add-on and its menu options. Now, click on Extensions. Select BotBee Sheet Connect for Google Sheets. Then click Open Sheet Connect. The BotBee Sheet Connect sidebar will now open on the right side of your screen. You are now ready to configure your automation. Here, you can see the list of all available sheets in your spreadsheet under Active Sheets. Next, we have column selection. This allows you to control which columns are sent to your webhook. For example, if you enter A to D, BotBee will send data from columns A through D. If you leave this field blank, all columns will be included automatically. You can also specify individual columns using commas, such as A, C, E, to send only selected data to your webhook. Next, we have the first row is a header row option. When enabled, BotBee will use the values in the first row as keys in the webhook payload. For example, if your headers are name, email, and phone, the webhook payload will automatically use these names when sending data. This makes it easier to work with APIs, CRMs, and automation platforms. Next, choose where new data will be added in your spreadsheet. If new rows are appended at the end of the sheet, select Bottom. If new rows are inserted at the beginning of the sheet, select Top. BotBee Sheet Connect will monitor the selected position and automatically trigger your webhook whenever new data is detected. Next, enter your webhook URL. BotBee Sheet Connect supports any webhook endpoint, allowing you to connect with CRMs, APIs, WhatsApp workflows, N8N, Make, Zapier, and other automation platforms. Then, enable Auto Trigger. Once enabled, BotBee Sheet Connect will automatically detect new rows and instantly send the data to your webhook in real time. Now, we need a webhook URL. For this demo, we'll create a simple WhatsApp workflow using BotBee. Open your BotBee dashboard and navigate to WhatsApp, then select Bot Manager. Next, click on Message Templates. Since our Google Sheet contains 4 columns, name, number, business, and email, we'll create 4 corresponding template variables. Let's go ahead and add all 4 variables before proceeding to the next step. Now, refresh the BotBee dashboard and navigate to Templates. Click on Create Template and select General Template. Enter a template name and choose the appropriate template category. Next, add the variables we created earlier, name, number, business, and email. For this demonstration, I'm creating a simple template without any buttons. Finally, click the Save button to create your template. Next, click the Sync Templates button. BotBee will now fetch the latest template status from Meta. This may take a few moments. As you can see, our template has been successfully approved and is now ready to use in our workflow. Now let's create our workflow. Click on Webhook Workflows and then click Create. Enter a workflow name. And select the approved WhatsApp template we created earlier. Once the workflow is created, BotBee will generate a unique webhook URL for this workflow. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the webhook URL field in the BotBee Sheet Connect add-on. We are now ready to automatically send Google Sheets data directly to WhatsApp using BotBee. Finally, click the Save Settings button. Now, we need to map our template variables. Since our template contains 4 variables, we'll use sample data from our Google Sheet to configure them. First, click on Capture Webhook Response in BotBee. Then go back to BotBee Sheet Connect and click Send Test Data. Alternatively, you can simply add a new row to your Google Sheet to trigger the webhook automatically. BotBee will capture the incoming data, allowing us to map each template variable to the corresponding field from the spreadsheet. Great! The test data has been sent successfully. Now go back to your webhook workflow in BotBee. You'll see the captured data from Google Sheets. Simply map each field to the corresponding template variable. For example, map name to name, number to number, business to business, and email to email. Make sure all the fields are mapped correctly. You can also add delays and conditions if needed. Once you are done, click Save Workflow. That's it. Whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet, BotBee Sheet Connect will automatically trigger the webhook and send the WhatsApp message. To test it, I'm now adding a sample row to the spreadsheet. Within a few seconds, you'll see the workflow execute and the WhatsApp message delivered automatically. Now, click the eye icon in your workflow. Here, you can see the execution details. As you can see, the WhatsApp message was successfully sent to the number from the newly added row. The Reset Row Counter option marks all existing rows as processed. After resetting, only new rows added in the future will trigger the webhook. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you get started with BotBee Sheet Connect for Google Sheets. Start automating your spreadsheets today and connect Google Sheets with WhatsApp, CRMs, APIs, and your favorite automation tools without writing a single line of code. Install BotBee Sheet Connect today and transform your workflow with real-time automation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.